So this is the countdown timer to the March equinox, and when this timer reaches 0, the drone P900 contest is officially open to entries based on the globe. Now, I suggest if you're going to submit an entry to review the requirements of the challenge, because they are exactly the same for the globe-based entries. You must satisfy every element of the challenge. However, you can do it on a globe model. I have a second countdown timer, and this is counting down to when the contest closes to entry. So at that time, once this counter reaches 0, we will put the contest entries up for a vote and the 2 winners will be chosen. I previously posted a different video for submitting your contest entries. However, for the globe-based entries, please submit them on this video. We'll just keep those separate. There were no valid flat earth entries. There's still 8 hours remaining, so we may see some, but I highly doubt it. For globe-based entries, please submit your contest entries here. And remember, flat earthers, you've had 3 months to do this, so please don't bother coming to my channel and complaining and making excuses, because I've heard them all. I'm not interested in excuses. I'm interested in results. You've had 3 months to produce results and you have failed. So now it's the Glober's turn.